Hi guys, so I have a package here, and this package is from J. Harold. I don't know her first name yet, but I will soon. And you guys, this is from Canada, and this is my first Happy Mail package from Canada. I know Canada is right next door because I'm in the US, but I have never received a package from Canada. So I'm like always so excited when I get my first package from a different country. Because I'm a crazy person. But anyway, so thank you so much. But we're going to know her first name in a second. And it came in this holographic box, which like put all of everything that I own in a box like this. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have it in the wrong direction. And it says, Lisa, look at this pretty little butterfly on here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful card. How stinking cute is this? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't want to like open it wrong. Okay, it opens up at the top here. So cute. So it says, happy birthday. Oh, don't ever change. Love your laughter and giggles. You made me laugh when you rip or spill something. I like that you don't edit it all out. I do not edit I like very rarely edit a video if like one of my children comes in the room screaming. But this is Joyce. So the J stands for Joyce. Thank you, Joyce. And thank you so much for watching my videos and for enjoying all the bloopers that I do not edit out. And she says she does not have social media, but her favorite color is blue. Her favorite food is pizza. And her birthday's on March 14th. And she put the year, she said, I'm so old, LOL. You are not so old. You are not so old. So thank you so much. Oh my gosh. So she made these cards and she made some other things. I'm not going to tell you. We're going to see it. And then I'm a new subscriber, but have been watching for a while. Oh, well, thank you for subscribing, Miss Joyce. And she said she hopes I like all things. I love it already because I like, where is there a better community than the crafty community? Please, on YouTube, where? Tell me where, because I don't know. I am so overwhelmed. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just can't believe that people would, I don't know why this just like, cause I do it, but it's just so amazing to me that you can like watch someone, you don't know them, but you're like so sweet to like still send them something for their birthday. I don't know. I just think the crafty community is the absolute best. And she says, I hope this makes you smile. And it already has. Like, I don't have to look at it. Just the fact that it's here makes me smile. But look at how cute these are, you guys. These are adorable. I cannot. They're so, so cute. This shaker, I don't know why I'm like obsessed. Like, look how fun this is. I don't know. I am already smiling. Joyce, you already made me smile. So looky here. We have some things in here. Okay, oh my gosh, confetti. Another one of my favorite things. I want to save this. I need to like make something with this. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. You guys. Look at this. How can you open this and not be happy? Look at it. Oh my goodness gracious. I want to like preserve it. How can I do that? What can I put in? Okay, I'm going to put it in the top of the box for now, just so that I can, because I've been doing this thing where I've been making like, they're like acetate shakers kind of, but they're not even really shakers. I've been using them as like the backs of something, but like this could be in a shaker. Like, why couldn't this be in a shaker? And it is so pretty. The colors are like everything. I'm serious. I'm going to save this. Like, I'm not kidding. Okay, we got some of it out. I don't want to lose it. Okay. So we have, oh my gosh, we have a box full of goodies. Okay, how cute. He put this together and we have like this little Peeps lip gloss. Well, let me make sure I'm in the frame. I am. Okay, and then a face mask. How cute. And then look at this, guys, another face mask. Look how pretty this butterfly is. And it's raspberry scented. Yummy. I love raspberries. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's that. And then we have, this is so cute. Let's go traveling. We know that I'm hosting a travel swap right now. This is perfect and right on time. And then look how cute. This is a, these are washi tape stickers. You can tell because I can feel them. And you know, when you're obsessed with paper, you know all the paper things. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. Look at this stripe up top. Adorable. And then look, another travel thing. So this is, I'm gonna start my travel reveals for my swap soon. I like to wait closer to the due date because then I can just put them out every day, you know, and not skip. So this one says road trip. How cute is this? And these are Jolie's stickers. So like super good quality. and very nice. Okay, so she said, this was in the thing that she wrote that I was like, I don't want to tell you guys. She said that she put some Halloween ATC cards in here. So let's look at these. Oh my gosh, I have not started crafting for Halloween and I'm dying to get started. And I'm so bad at ATCs, so I'm going to use all of these as inspiration. So look how cute. So this says Halloween on it. Let me see. Okay, her info's on the back. Oh my gosh. So cute. These are adorable. And I think that's why I struggle so much, because I'm like, it's hard for me to like make things kind of flat. I'm always layering 100 things on top of each other. Look how cute this is. Look at the little witch. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Look at her pointing. Look at her nails. So cute. Oh my gosh. She's cute. It's my favorite one for sure. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. These are adorable, Joyce. They're so cute. Okay, let me put these over to the side. And then we have, over here we have, oh, some little gnomes. Okay, so this is my first item from Dollarama. And I always watch videos because Dollarama is like, you know, their version of the Dollar Tree, basically. It has the same stuff. I think it's the same company. It's just called something different. But look at these little gnomes. They're so cute. They're hanging gnomes with ropes. So you could like make them into a banner, or like, I probably won't. I'll probably like either cover them in paper. It says on here you can paint them. But how cute are these? From Dollarama. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I watched, like, you know, I used to watch so many Dollar Tree hauls before, and I used to always see all of our Canadian friends getting stuff from Dollarama. And then this on here, it says, sending you some cards I made. I hope you like them. I'm sure I will. Let's open them up. Oh, she wrote on one of these transparent sticky notes too that everybody's been hauling at Dollar Tree, but she has the clear ones. I have not been able to find the clear ones. I found all the color ones, which are fun, but I did want to find the clear ones too, just because they're almost like vellum, you know, like vellum sticky notes basically, but just like clear vellum. Okay, and then we have these cute cards. Look at the outside. Oh my gosh, I love these envelopes. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at the cards. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. These are adorable. Oh, and I love how she made them match. Oh my gosh, I love them. They look like professionally done. Wow. These are beautiful. I love these, and I will definitely be using these. Look how cute these are, guys. So we have 2 of these. And then, oh, I can't wait to see the blueberry ones. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Did you use a die for these? They are adorable. And the matching envelope, like, this is like chef's kiss. Like, these are perfect and so nice. Wow, I can't believe you made these. They literally feel like professionally done. And I need to start stamping things, because then you can do your own sentiment. This one is these are thank you, and these are thinking of you. I love them. I don't just like them, I love them. Okay, I have to keep them in here because I don't want them to get messed up. Okay, then we have this really cute bag from Dollar Tree. I love this bag, and it feels like it has some, oh my gosh, how cute. She put a little hair bow on here, but she glued it on here, and it looks so cute. Oh my gosh, adorable. Oh my gosh, she made me a bunch of bows. Bows are such a labor of love, and I have a little container that I keep all of my ready-made bows in. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, I love the center on this one. This one is embossed. Gorgeous. Okay, let me put this right here. Another one with like a texture. I love a bow with a texture. This one, look how cute she put centers on these. We have like this yellow one with this pretty yellow flower. Ooh, this flower is so pretty, my goodness. And then this blue one with a pearl on the inside. And then she has some little baby ones too. Look at this tiny one. I always struggle making the tiny ones. They're so cute. This is such a pretty one. It almost looks like leather. And then, oh my gosh, these are layered, you guys. So much work. So much work. These are so pretty. Thank you, Joyce. These are so pretty. Look at this one. I love how they're embossed first. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. The brown one. This is like brown with like this like gold shimmer on it. I love these. Love. I think this green with the pink on it is my favorite because I love, well, I don't know. I love this one too. I love them all. Okay, I love them all. That's such a good idea too, to like to put them all in here because then they don't get crushed. I love. Okay, and then we have a little box here. I'm literally trying to save all of this this stuff, guys. Oh my gosh. Look what's in here, guys. Wait a minute. Look at this. I was just talking about those pretty like centers. Oh my gosh, look, guys. Look at this, these balloon dogs. These are so cute. I have never seen these before. Look how adorable they are. And they're like charms. Like they have a hole right here so you could hang them from stuff. How cute are they? Oh my gosh, they're adorable. And then look at these. These are, so some of these are already wire wrapped. Such a labor of love. Can you guys see? And then some of them, she just gave me the beads. So pretty. These are so pretty. I do not have these at all. And I feel like I have every bead known to man, but I do not have these, nor have I ever even seen these. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm going to love adding these to my dangles. So pretty. Thank you so much, Joyce. So much. And then we have here, okay, let's do this first. Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay, wait a minute, guys. Look how cute this. Look at this dress. Pretty in pink. It is. Oh my goodness, so cute. And I love how she put these on the trim of the dress and the flowers, and she layered all this stuff. Look at, there's a doily back here, folded. Such a good idea. And then these, which I have these little hearts, and I never think to just layer them. Perfect. And then you guys, look at these pink flowers. Wait a minute. So she gave me like a whole bunch of these, and look how pretty these are. You guys, so pretty. And these are like they're flat on the back, so they're perfect to just like glue on a project. They're actually beads though. They have a hole in the center. So there's so many things. You could put like your own stamen in the middle of here because there's just a hole in the center. You could like hang them from something, obviously. You could glue them right on a project. Wow, these are so, like there's so many things you can do with these, and I do not have anything like this. They're so pretty. She gave me so many. Thank you. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I love these so much. Okay. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. Oh my gosh, so generous. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. So now we have here this little butterfly. Oh, these are like, you know, tied together. And on the inside, oh my goodness, guys, they're little tiny stars, which I love. These are like the twinkle stars too, like not the 5-point star, you know, the twinkle that just has 4. How pretty are these? And then the other ones are butterflies. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And I love that they come in their own container like this because they're like so tiny. But these are perfect in sequin mixes. They're so pretty, and they're like the prettiest colors. Oh my gosh, I love these. I love these. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. Oh, I was like, is this the same one? It's not, guys. It's another one. It's a different one. Let's see what's in here. What do we have in here? Oh boy. Okay, more goodies. Ooh, these are so pretty. So these are flowers, and they actually have adhesive on the back of them already. Look how pretty these are. They're so pretty. You literally can just like stick them on a I love all the blingy things. I love bling. I love the bling. So pretty. Some of the confetti got inside. It's like the same color. These are so pretty. And they're all in this really pretty blue. I love blue. So pretty. Okay, let me put these over here. And then we have this little guy. Oh my, I wonder if she saw my video where I talked about how this little guy makes me so happy. I saw this at Dollar Tree, and I got one of them for a groovy swap that I was in. And then I was like, wait, why didn't I get one for myself? Because it makes me so happy. Look at this little shaker guy. He's so happy. Oh my goodness. And she went and she said in her thing that she found 2 like Maggie Holmes things at her local scrapbooking store. And that is so sweet that you would go out and get something Maggie Holmes specifically for me. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I see the Maggie Holmes thing, that's why I said that. But look at these little cute kitties. These are my preferred kitties, guys, on stickers. Sticker kitties. These are so cute. And there's 4 sheets in here. OMG. And then look, and it's from Garden Party, which is the collection that I have the least of. Look at these stencils. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. So these are some letters, and then this, bows. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this existed. And then look at that, and look at the scalloped border. You could even stencil that. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Thank you so much. And look, Parasol, another collection that I don't have a lot of. And this is their stationery pack, and this is hard like to find. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at the back so you can see everything that's in here. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. This is like literally so sweet. And I do have Parasol, but I don't have this. And then look at these Sandy Lion. Oh my gosh, I so love Sandy Lion, the brand. Look how pretty these little stickers are. They're so cute. These remind me of those little bottle caps. Like you could put those in there and that would be so stinking cute. So that is that. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. Oh, Joyce, you're so generous. You guys, there's dies in here. Oh my goodness. And stamps, which I'm trying to become a stamper. I love the confetti falling from it. This is like so cute. Okay. Okay, wait, so let me show you this first. Look how beautiful this is. So this is a set from Pink Fresh, and it's called In My Heart. It has 16 pieces. You guys, if you hear my ice maker, I'm so sorry. I am in the middle of returning the gajillionth ice maker and trying to find one that does not make horrible noises. Because it makes this crazy noise. I just got this ice maker and it's already making this crazy noise. I'm like, it's going back. I want you to know you're loved. Thank you for brightening my days. Oh my gosh, these have the prettiest sentiments ever. Friends make everything better. You're enough as you are. Oh my gosh. Friends are the family you choose with your heart. That's so true. Best friends read your mind, know your heart, and feed your soul. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is going to make me cry. Okay, let me stop reading too much. And then look, the dies that go with it. You guys, and look at the stencils. I just started buying stencils. Oh my gosh, the layered ones are my favorite because I don't know what I'm doing. And these make it easy. So look what it'll stencil. Oh, so this stencils this. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is amazing. Thank you so much. This is literally amazing. Oh my gosh, wow, the whole like set. Stencil, cutting die, and stamp. This is beautiful. I love this so much. Thank you so much. And then our last package here has some cards in it. It has some cards in it. Okay. I don't want this. This confetti is the best. Oh, it's so fun. Okay. So we have what I think are some handmade cards in here. And they're packaged up so nicely. Okay, so let's look at these. So we have this beautiful purple one. And it has like purple foil on the front and this like layered up flowers here. And it says, have a fabulous day. Oh, and they all come with their very own matching envelope. Look at this one, you guys. This one is stitched. Oh, wow. And it says happy birthday. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Wow. And look at the, oh my gosh, another stitched one. Okay, it comes with the envelope. This one has the white. Look at this one. So cute. It's a little cupcake. Man. So nice. I bought embroidery floss. Have I done anything with it? No, of course not. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I have so many embossing folders. I never use them. I just started getting them recently. So that's my defense, is that I haven't had a chance to use them yet. But look how this one on the inside, she put a sentiment that says, have a fabulous day. So cute. Oh, this one is cute too. I love the colors on this one. Happy birthday to you. These are so pretty. I love these little blingy dots that you added on here. And I love the use of the embossing folder here. So pretty. This one says, have a fantastic day on the inside of this one. And this one says, flowers are like friends. They bring color. So pretty. And it has all these. And I have so many butterfly loving friends. So I'll have to send this to one of them. So nice. And then this one, oh, this one is like a landscape. And it says, life is better with you. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And this one, look, she lined the bottom of the card. I love it. I love that you put envelopes too. I always forget to add envelopes. And this one says, happy birthday. Look how pretty this is. Oh man, these are so pretty. Joyce, oh my gosh, you literally made my day. Thank you so much. And thank you for sending this, but also like for your support and for subscribing and just for being like a gem. Oh my gosh, I love everything. You guys, Joyce does not have social media, but make sure you write something to her in the comments, because this was such a sweet and thoughtful gift. And you guys, I will see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe like Joyce if you're not, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.